Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and tools. Back up your iPhone fully and encrypt that backup so passwords and health data transfer. Make sure iTunes or Finder is updated and your Mac or PC has a reliable USB cable. If you plan to install a specific firmware, download the matching IPSWA now and confirm it's signed by Apple. Unsigned builds cannot be installed. Once done, disable Find My iPhone in Settings so the device can be restored without activation lock interruptions. Next, place the iPhone into DFU mode to allow a full firmware rewrite. Follow the exact button sequence for your model. The screen will remain black. In Finder or iTunes, hold Option on Mac or Shift on Windows while clicking Restore iPhone to select the IPSWA, or use the default restore to reinstall the latest signed iOS. The tool will erase and reflash the device. This removes the existing iOS image and reinstalls the chosen firmware. Make sure power and connection remain stable. When the restore finishes, the iPhone restarts and prompts for setup. You can set up as new to fully remove previous settings or restore your encrypted backup to recover data. Sign in with your Apple ID to re-enable services. If you see errors or the device won't activate, try DFU and repeat the restore, switch USB ports or cables, or update iTunes/Finder. If you hit activation lock or repeated failures, contact Apple support. Reinstalling firmware cannot bypass an account lock without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.